welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a challenge. We are going to be doing a handcuff challenge. The kids are downstairs and I got dressed and ready because it's kind of hard to get dressed with handcuffs on. So I'm gonna leave that challenge to Timmy. What are you talking about?
The kids around?
Oh, I can't get it on.
Babe, we can't do this. Oh, the kids are awake.
Stop, Timothy. What are you talking about?
Where'd you get these?
It did not go in. I don't know how to put these things on. I should have put it on myself first. I'm not going to do it that tight because I gotta try to figure out. We're doing a handcuff challenge.
What handcuff challenge?
It's a handcuff challenge.
What do you mean?
So we gotta do it. We gotta be like this all day.
You're lying.
I can't record and here, hold this. Hold this. Record us, Lil.
That means the kids are gonna have to drive the car?
Record our hands, Lil. So I'm gonna use this sweater. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I can't believe we're doing this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, there we go. So we are now cuffed, and you gotta deal with this all day long.
Are you serious?
So we have a lot of things to do. First of all, you need to get dressed and get ready.
Are we really gonna do this?
Yes, we are going to be joined at the wrists all day long.
Do you have the keys for these?
Yep.
You're too much, I swear.
Are you ready to do the handcuff challenge, my love?
That's what I had in mind with the handcuffs, but I guess. Wait, how am I gonna get dressed?
I don't know. It's gonna be a challenge. I tried not to put it too tight so we could try to fit your shirt in there somehow.
What if, like, we go out and they think we're escaped convicts?
No. I mean, girl and boy in the same.
What if I gotta poop? Because I gotta poop right now.
Oh my god, I gotta sit through that?
You have to sit through it. I guess so. Let's go. I gotta go now.
Oh my god. Well, put some pants on first, and then we'll go.
You're something else.
I can't. Hold on. I can't record
How you
one
gonna record?
hand.
Wow.
I got this, dude.
The bathroom's this way.
No, I'm not ready for it yet.
I gotta poop.
Oh.
You gotta eat your words.
Should have done this after. All right, I'm gonna stand. We gotta figure this out. I'm not gonna stand all the way in there. You got it?
You're not gonna record me poop.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You gotta get closer.
We'll get back soon. Okay. Okay, this is. Don't be too long. Lil, can you get my phone? This is gonna take some time, and I'm already bored. All right, see you guys. We're trying to clean the house. You're not looking at us. No, keep this down so you can look at us. So you can see how you're doing.
Yeah.
So we're trying to clean up. This TV is too loud.
It's just surround sound.
Oh, well, turn off the damn surround sound. Lily's being our videographer right now. Thanks, Lily, for recording.
Thank you, Lily, for recording Mommy's craziness.
Because I'm trying to clean up. No, we're not over there. You need to learn how to record, girlfriend. We're cleaning up. Put some toys in there.
This would be a lot worse if we weren't the same height, you know. Thank God you're not shorter than me.
What? How is this bad?
Because you're dragging me.
You already complaining?
Think about how I'm gonna get dressed, because I gotta put a shirt on.
No.
I talking to the camera.
Okay, hold on, let go. Okay, guys, back to me. Right now, Timmy's gonna try to put a shirt on. That's a challenge in itself with handcuffs. So I was thinking of maybe trying to, like, get the shirt into that gap there.
How, sweetie? How?
Well, hopefully your shirt isn't that thick.
How'd you enjoy looking at me?
Which one are you gonna wear? Maybe you should just stay on with the t-shirt because.
How'd you like looking at my poop?
Yeah, it smells really bad. Okay, well, I loosened it a bit more, so maybe you can fit a little bit more of your clothes in there.
Are you supposed to tell him you can loosen it?
Huh?
You can tell him?
Yeah, as long as we're in the cuffs. It's a 24-hour handcuff
That
challenge.
doesn't make
You're
sense.
still in the cuff.
I
know what
can't.
I mean?
No, that's not gonna work.
What's not gonna work?
Cause I can get this.
You could put. No, you're supposed to start with this hand.
How, Sway?
Try to stuff the clothes in there. No, you gotta stuff it in. Yeah, like that.
You've never been handcuffed before, huh?
No.
Take it from me. I've been handcuffed plenty of times.
Yeah, one. Don't get slapped, homie.
Can't tell. I'd rather not discuss it.
If you don't get slapped.
This is worse. Like,
This ain't happening. You're staying in with the t-shirt.
Wait. If you don't get slapped.
ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
she hit you for me. All right, not working. All right, so I guess you're
It's
just
like 100 degrees, or it's like
you're
20
just
degrees
staying in
outside.
this dingy t-shirt.
I like this dingy t-shirt.
Oh, okay, well you're staying in it.
Can I do my
All
hair?
right. Yeah, let's do this here.
All right, I got poop again. Come on.
Do you have to shave? I don't know. I think this was bad for me because I have to follow this man around to get ready. I made it easy on you. I got myself ready early this morning so that this challenge wasn't a pain.
Should have thought about that before you
But-
handcuff.
Now I gotta get through your morning routines here. Brushing your hair. You need a haircut, my dude.
You need a haircut.
And then we have to go to the stores, but there's always one of us constantly running after the kids, or we're splitting up and running after each
Yeah, how we
kid
gonna do that?
separate ways. So that's gonna be a challenge.
And what if I gotta poop out there?
I don't know how this is
Because
gonna
there's
work.
no family bathroom.
Maybe we should drop them off at your mom's, so that we just run after her only.
You gotta call
Because
her.
this guy is such a handful. Right,
He's
Lucas?
got a handful.
Right, Lucas?
Hey, buddy?
He's got a runny nose, guys. He's not feeling well.
And I'm not feeling well because I have a stuffy nose.
Okay, I couldn't even finish cleaning. I could have swore I put those puzzles away, but nothing stays clean in this house.
Well, cuz we handcuffed.
Oh, what are we gonna do? We gotta get the kids in the car first, and then myself.
I gotta get my shoes on.
Okay, well that's easy. Maybe if we hold hands like this.
Aww.
If we hold hands like this, we can probably.
Is this a
do it.
bonding exercise?
Yes,
where
this
we get
is.
Together.
This is a marriage. Oh, you gotta tell me we're gonna turn it. You're gonna take that arm. Next time, use the other arm,
We gotta
dude.
turn off the TV.
Somebody says that they need to go somewhere. Get to
They gotta put their hand up.
No.
We have to raise our hand when we need something.
Lucas wants some
No,
milk.
you need to go where the person
Bubba, get your cup.
says where they need to go.
Ugh,
Find your cup, son.
I can't. Okay, goodbye, guys. I can't record.
The challenge in itself.
I know.
Luckily, the kids know how to get in and put their own seatbelt on. It's just something else. It's not how I expected to do my Saturdays.
All right, so I need you.
Thank God I'm left-handed. Oh, we gotta put gas in the car.
Oh yeah, we need gas.
You always talk about.
Are you recording?
All right, guys.
Are you recording?
For the guys out there, do you have a significant other who always complains that the car is on empty, yet they never ever put the gas in themselves, but will blame you for that?
But you have the car majority of the time, so you need to put gas in.
Who was the last person to drive the car this morning?
I was.
Uh-huh.
And yes, I did notice the
yeah.
gas light, but I thought maybe it would be great if you put it in. I hate putting gas, it just stinks. I'm hot. This was a challenge. Guys, you don't understand that this is really hard to record and get the kids ready, put them in the car seat. Like, this is a life challenge. Not just a handcuff one, but getting ready was a challenge in itself.
Out of all the things we could have done with handcuffs, we wanted to do this.
That's what she said. Actually, that's what he said, but I'm hot. I mean, I thought it was going to be harder to get in the car with handcuffs on. I think we accomplished that, but your door is open.
Well, thank God you only got my right hand.
Okay, that's where your hand's going to have to be. Put it on the wheel.
Pretend like
There's
we're
an
dating.
issue. intentional in sliding in. Okay.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Gas, check.
Where's the keys?
Our reaction.
Hey, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hey, I knew it. It's a setup.
What's the setup?
I don't trust. I never trust this. What's this?
What you mean? It's a challenge that we're doing.
Ah,
A 24-hour handcuff challenge. In the heck?
how was that working?
He said, "What are you doing?" I knew I can't trust you guys. It's not a prank on you guys.
I'm not drinking anything that's open.
It's like hot.
I'm not trusting none of this.
What was you sound like my mom. Hey guys, so we're still handcuffed. So it is Sunday the next day. We tried really hard, so we really have to confess something. We were not like this for 24 hours.
That was 48 hours.
We tried, no, it was not. We tried to do a 24-hour challenge. I mean, we spent all day together. I mean, that counts.
At least an hour or two.
We weren't attached to the wrists, but we were together all day.
Yeah.
The reason why we took it apart is that when we went to the mall, it was definitely challenging with the kids. Lily had to use the restroom. Tim could not go in, so we took it off then and decided just to leave it off. We got back home and put it back on. Received some of our friends for the bonfire that we had for the kids, and then decided to take it off again because, you know, we had to host our guests. Tim was talking to the guy, and I, of course, was entertaining the kids and the ladies, and right, it was just challenging. This is definitely a challenge.
We gotta do it with a videographer who can record us while we do this, while taking care of the kids.
Yeah, that was another challenge, was to record, grab a kid. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it with holding the camera, so but definitely a challenge. I know not a lot of people completed this challenge. Some did, but I doubt that they were really honest with it. We're trying to be honest. We didn't do it. Not the correct way, at least. Timmy wants to do it again, but that may have to be when the kids are old enough to go to the bathroom by themselves. Not lying.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. We're gonna use this for something else, maybe. Just joking.
No, she's joking.
Lucas is coming up, so we have to get out of the bed already. Anything you have to say? Thanks for watching. Please make sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, tune in.